Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this typewriter text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text, add in your default text, and type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in graduation because that's what the video is showing. And I'm just going to change the font. You don't have to. Then to add in that like effect, you're going to go to animation here, go to the in animation and find a typewriter. There's a lot of options you can choose from. Some of them is a pro one, some of them you don't need a pro one, but the type 1 doesn't show the typewriter effect, so use type 2 here. Adjust the duration a little bit so it looks like it's typing one by one. You can also add in some sound effects if you'd like to make it more even, like look and sound like a typewriter is typing it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.